Magnificent homes of the richest CEOs. Have you ever wondered how the world's richest CEOs spend their extravagant and luxurious lives in some of the most expensive and mind-blowing homes? If you ever imagine how big their homes can be and what unbelievable stuff they may have in them, then you are at the right place, because in today's video, we have decided to share with you the magnificent homes of the richest CEOs. Stick till the end of the video to find the most magnificent home on our list. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos. Having said that, let's get into the video. Number 5. Larry Ellison. With a net worth of about $102 million, Larry Ellison, the CEO of Oracle's, stands only number 5th on our list with his most supreme collection of luxurious homes at different places in the world. One of his homes in Woolside, California just reflects the class that he loves to add to his every house. That's why this massive mansion-like home was built on the model of the 16th century Japanese emperor's eye-catching palace. This unrealistic 23-acre masterpiece of beauty and art has a worth of about $70 million and took about 9 years to complete. As a fan of Japanese culture and art, Ellison also bought a historic garden-like villa in Kyoto at a price of whopping $86 million. Not only does he have homes in Japan, but also he owns different real estate around the world. He has also about 24 properties in Malibu alone, having millions of dollars worth. All these homes have everything that one could imagine from state-of-the-art features and designs. Number 4. Mark Zuckerberg. With a net worth of about $114 billion, the CEO of Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg, stands only number 4 on our list, being the owner of some really magnificent homes. He, with his wife, lives in an elegant home worth about $7 million in Palo Alto. This is the house of the future for anyone who loves the technology, as this house is equipped with every technology one could imagine, from AI assistant to voice recognition features. Mark has customized this 5,617 square foot house into a real home of the future, from the Marvel's film where Iron Man is seen controlling everything with just a touch in the air. Mark also bought another house worth about $30 million near his home in Palo Alto so that he could go and live in comfort without any neighbors. Other than this house, he also bought a property worth $10 million in Dolores Heights that spreads over 5,552 square feet. He then put $1.6 million in customization of the house to add a massive office, a mudroom, a wine room, and wet bar to add the right touch of elegance. Number 3. Bill Gates. With a net worth of about $126 billion, Bill Gates, the founder and CEO of Microsoft, lives in one of the most elegant and luxurious houses on the planet that comes with heavy price tags. His most famous home comes with a 66,000 square foot area and is located in Medina, Washington. Not only is this home mind-blowing in terms of space, but also it has been equipped with the latest cutting-edge technology. Bill Gates spent an incredible $63 million to design and build this amazing masterpiece home that could be a paragon of beauty for everyone. Bill Gates bought the area back in 1988 for $2 million, but the added features, an extra touch of luxurious customization, pushed its price to $130 million. The house is pretty high-tech and has sensors to maintain temperature and lighting. What's more interesting is that all the electric appliances are controlled by AI technology. The house has about 8 large-sized bedrooms, 25 bathrooms, 6 kitchens, and also a massive dining room to accommodate as many as 200 guests. Not only does this house have every possible thing for Bill Gates, but also it has some extra features for guests, such as a trampoline room. Gates also has a house in Southern California that spreads over a massive 228 acres and comes with a worth of $18 million. This house can make you think how insanely spacious the mansions can be. He also has a home in Wellington, Florida that was bought for $8.7 million, and now it has been used by his daughter as a separate mansion. Number 2. Elon Musk. On number 2, we have the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX. Elon Musk, with his spectacular homes, who recently appeared to be the world's richest man for a short interval of time, with a net worth of about $153 billion. Musk bought his first home in Los Angeles for about $6.75 million. That was earlier owned by Hollywood actor Gene Wilder. This house is something that is entirely on another level, as it has been decorated with the minutest details possible. But Musk took a turn and decided to transform this incredible masterpiece into a private school for his children in 2013. No doubt, this private school will be one of the most expensive and luxurious schools of all time. Musk purchased another mansion in Bel Air, Los Angeles. That is one of the most coveted areas of the city. He bought this house by paying a heavy price of $24.25 million. Elon continued to buy more and more houses in Bel Air, and now he owns about 5 mansions there. Musk had said that he needs to buy all the mansions near his house for privacy, and he will continue to buy more and more. And we can never get surprised after learning this, as anything can be expected from Elon Musk, the only man in the world that can blow you up with his futuristic ideas. Musk has put a total of about $100 million in real estate since he bought his very first house. But recently, he has decided to sell them one by one. Number 1. Jeff Bezos. We have reached number 1 on our list, and no doubt it cannot be anyone other than the world's richest man, Jeff Bezos, the CEO of Amazon, with a net worth of $189 billion. Jeff Bezos has the title to be the owner of the biggest house in Washington, D.C., that spreads on 27,000 square feet. This mansion used to be a textile museum, and Bezos bought it for $12 and took the steps to renovate the place. Jeff put another whopping $23 million for its renovations to give a touch of luxury and class that he wanted. Bezos has another worth mentioning house in Medina, Washington, worth $25 million, that went through extensive steps of customization to be a standard mansion for Bezos after putting in about $28 million. Not only does he love big mansions, but also he loves to have apartments. That's why he owns 3 linked apartments in Century Tower in Central Park, New York. It just blows our mind to know that Bezos owns about 30,000 acres of land in western Texas that he bought for about $50 million. This world's largest living space to ever exist has Bezos' craziest collection of artworks, such as deer antlers, chandeliers, historical paintings, and images have also been placed there. Other than this, Bezos has also carried rocket launch experiments of his space company, Blue Origin, in this massive mansion. The space is being used very insanely. Did you know that these richest CEOs could have these massive and luxurious homes? Don't be shy to comment right below which home did you love the most. Is it Jeff Bezos' 30,000 acre mansion? Before going anywhere, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to watch more interesting videos on your YouTube dashboard. Until the next video, stay tuned.